had these two stools for a while and they've been painted before, but they're looking a bit tired and I'm wanting to change the colour scheme. I'm going to spray them in two-toned Twist and Spray Duck Egg and French Grey. Because I'm going lighter, I'm going to sand them back and prime them first, so that means I use less colour when I'm spraying. So the first step is to sand them. I've given them a good sand down and a wipe with a damp cloth to get rid of all the dust. I'm now going to prime them to kill this dark colour, so then I can use less light colour on top. I've already shaken the can like it says to on the back, so I'm ready to start priming. I've now primed them to dull down the colour. What I'm going to do is do them in two-toned, so I'm going to spray the top 2/3 in one colour and then the bottom third in another colour. I've already done this with this stool. I've sprayed the bottom third in Duck Egg, and then I'll mask over the top of that and spray the top of it in French Grey. So what I'm going to do now is just spray the bottom of this one in French Grey. I've already shaken the can like it says to on the back. The best way to do it is do lots of thin strokes and build up the colour gradually. I've left the bottom of this stool to dry overnight so it's properly hardened off before masking it to prevent it chipping off with the masking tape. I found the best way to get a good straight line all the way round is to do a line of just masking tape first and then do the newspaper on the bottom. So I've taken the masking tape of this one now and it looks really good. I really like the colour combination and it's a complete transformation. I've left them to thoroughly dry before taking off the masking tape, so all I've got left to do is take the masking tape of this one.